All right, guys, we're back. Break 381. Read some names. Atlanta Hawks, Brandon. Cody P with the Celtics. Nets, Manquang. Brandon with the Hornets. Stephen E. Bulls. Adam G. Cavaliers. Sylvia O. with the Mavs. Manquang with the Nuggets. Jeremy T. Pistons. Matthew E. with the Warriors. Kevin M. with the Rockets. Nicholas with the Pacers. Brian G. with the Clippers. Carlo with the Lakers. Tanya with the Grizzlies. Jeremy T. with the Heat. Cody P. with the Bucks. Timberwolves, T. Manquang with the Pelicans. Claudio with the Knicks. Thunder, Francis. Brian K. with the Magic. Manquang 76ers, Raymond H with the Suns, Sky's back with the Blazers, Travis S picked up the Kings for some unpaid magic, Claudio T with the Spurs, Francis A with the Raptors, Claudio T with the Jazz, and Harianto with the Wizards. So thank you so much, guys, for picking up your teams and for winning and for breaking with Wax Zone. So we got 6 boxes of this tonight, our last 6 boxes. Go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. See what we can find tonight. Find some awesome numbers or whatever. For you basketball fans, again, we just picked up a lot of cool stuff. Picked up some Optic Choice and Optic Fast Break, and we picked up some Prism Choice and Prism Fast Break, as well as some Obsidian. So we have a lot of cool stuff, and we're just trying to figure out if we want to do a 24-box mixer or we want to do like an Obsidian 8-boxer, a Prism 8-boxer, and an Optic 8-boxer, because sometimes people don't necessarily want to bid a lot on a lot of products. So we'll see how it goes. Carmelo, Julius, and we have Evan Mobley. The 99, that should be green. Yes, it is. Congratulations. Look at the fire for Cleveland. Adam G. Beautiful lime green to 99, Evan Mobley auto. Gorgeous looking card. Your favorite, right, buddy?
The green,
69 and 99. Beautiful. Jaden Springer, rookie. Trey Murphy to third. Patrick, Moses Moody. Kelly Oubre, silver. Paul George, Kawhi, Jason, LeBron James. A Trey Man, red. Rookie. That is going to be to 199. 184 to 199. Leak. Evan Mobley again. Desmond Bain. Cameron Thomas. Tricolor. Rajon Rondo. JT Thor. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Bam Adebayo. Duncan Robinson, silver. Jalen Johnson. Scotty Barnes. Davion Mitchell, 75 years. Unpaid Magic. Sacktown. DeAndre Ayton, tricolor. And a Kuminga. Good start, guys. Beautiful card. Very strong start. Very nice start. Let's go. Strong start. So, anybody got some favorites for the basketball season? We're a few weeks in now. What are we thinking? Who's looking really good? Who's just super disappointing? All right, here we go. Christian Woods, Alperen Sengun, rookie. Miles Bridges, a Duarte Scope, rookie for Indiana. Josh Christopher, Brandon Aaron, Franz Wagner, rookie. Tobias Harris, silver. Marcus Nehemias Quetta, rookie. Anthony, we got a Dennis Smith Jr. throwback patch for the Mavericks. Silver patch, Dennis Smith Jr., not numbered. Throwback patch. And we have an Ant-Man, white. Minnesota Timberwolves, Anthony Edwards to 149. 109 to 149. All right, this box is hot. Jalen Green, I feel like it's going to get hotter, to be honest. Josh Giddey. Bias, DeMontis, Tricolor, Delano Banton, Brandon Boston Jr., Herbie Jones, 75 years, Shaquille, a Jeremiah Robinson Earl Scope for OKC, Krispy Kreme, Kelly Oubre, Jericho Sims, and Jaden Springer to 10. Look at that. Two of 10. Jaden Springer, Philadelphia. Nice looking patch. That's very cool. Gold checker. There you go, Philly. Who's got Philly? Manquan. They are heating up. Just in time for soccer. DeMontis Sabonis, silver. Jericho Sims, I missed him. Otherwise, we're good. Put that baby up here. Why not? What do you think? Said do it. All right, box 2, guys. By the way, we're still waiting on a pretty big payment for soccer. So, got a lot of big teams. Repeat buyer, but a recently repeat buyer. So, you know, if you're watching, please go make a payment. Pretty please. Tyler, I don't know if you want dibs on that. I mean, you certainly can, but this is a pretty big order. Pretty substantial order. So, a lot of teams, but a lot of good teams. So, it's quite a bit of stuff.
Tell me, what is it?
It'd be like
Portugal, Spain, United States, a bunch of others.
It'd be like 10 weekends of your work. Bradley Beal, James Harden, Evan Mobley, rookie, and we have a tie-dye of rookie Rubio die cut. Wow. Cavaliers are on fire. 13 of 25. Cavs on fire. Look at that. Ricky Rubio. Sweet looking card right there. Duarte rookie. Desmond Bain. Cam Thomas rookie. J. Thor. Steph Curry silver. Juan Toscano Anderson rookie. That's going to be a courtside. Giannis. Bam. Tobias Harris patch for the 76ers. There you go. Another die cut, Russell Westbrook blue, the 249, 38 of 249 for the Lake Show. There you go, Carla, Russell Westbrook die cut, Al Horford, Jalen Johnson rookie, Scotty Barnes, Carmelo, Lugnuts tricolor, Jaylen Brown, Usman Garuba is the future, Julius Randle, Trey Murphy III, Pat Williams, Chris Duarte silver. That's a premier level. Franz Wagner, Moses Moody rookie, Kawhi, Anthony Edwards, 75 years, tricolor, Sandro Mamukelashvili. Sandro Mamukelashvili, tricolor, and Moses Brown. There's a lot of
Tyler, it's 4 teams from each break, so the person owns a total of 8 different teams.
Yeah, the first break is 4 boxes of Prism World Cup, and the second break has 2 boxes of Prism and a box of NT World Cup. So here we go. Tatum, LeBron James, and a nice quiz. Chris Duarte, 90 of 99, lime green auto. Look at that. Go Pacers, Nicholas. Lime green autos are in and out. All right, Jalen Johnson rookie, Josh Giddey rookie, Tobias, DeMontis.
This is the good side of the case.
Yeah, I guess. James Bonite silver. Jalen Suggs, courtside rookie. Jericho Sims, Herbie Jones. A Julius Randle blue, 299, 156 to 299 for the New York Knicks. Devin Dane, Christian Wood. Alperen Sengun rookie. Kevin Love, tricolor. There's a Cade Cunningham, premier level rookie. Miles Bridges, Brandon Ingram. Karis LeVert, another Indiana patch. Indiana, Karis LeVert. Kyrie Irving, silver. Yusuf Nurkic. Jaren Jackson. Franz Wagner, 75 years. The Worm. A white Jalen Johnson for the Hawks. Out of 149, 128 of 149, Jalen Johnson white. Fred Van Fleet. Yeah, man, these boxes have been hot so far. Super.
2 in.
I know. That's what she said. But yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
That's what you just said.
Yeah. To myself. All right. Box 3. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Tyler, it's for the 4-box breaks. Write it down. For the 4-box break, it's Portugal, Spain, U.S., and Uruguay. And then for the 2-box plus NT, it's Belgium, Denmark, Germany, Netherlands.
Let's hope this person pays, because I really hate. I mean, they broke with us yesterday and paid, so you gotta hope that they pay. Really don't like starting off relationships that way. Darius Garland, Kyle Kuzma, a Davion Mitchell to 99, purple. Look at that. Rookie patch auto. We're on fire for the unpaid team. Congratulations, Travis. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, Travis. It's purple, so it's jersey match. Very nice. 99. Very nice. DeAndre Ayton, phenomenal select. Davion Mitchell, rookie. Jalen Suggs, rookie. Chris Paul, Caruso. A Jaylen Brown, silver, premier level. Trae Young, Jaylen Brown, Gary Trent Jr., Nikola Jokic, I should say. Kawhi Leonard, blue, to 299, 252 to 299 for the Clippers. Kyrie Irving, Buddy Hield, Karl Anthony Towns, Joshua Primo for the Spurs. Nehemias Quetta for Sacramento, tricolor again for Travis. Rudy Gobert, Trae Young, Donovan Mitchell, Deion Johnson, rookie. Josh Christopher, silver. Karis LeVert, Jimmy Butler, Isaiah Jackson, Joshua Primo, 75 years. Onyeka Okongwu, tricolor for Atlanta and Kauai. Man, that purple's nice. Unpaid magic, bro. I need more stands. That's what I need. Stop messing around. Stop messing around and give me some good stuff. Oh, what am I doing? I'm about to open another box.
Tyler, I sent you the list, brother.
Here we go. There we go. Chris Duarte, rookie. Kai Jones, rookie. Usman Garuba, rookie. Oh, we got a zebra! We got ourselves a zebra on a unicorn. What does that mean?
Zebra.
A unicorn zebra. Dallas, Sylvia. Wow, Kristaps Porzingis, zebra, baby. Got the unicorn and the zebra. Beautiful card, man. What? These boxes are crazy. It's crazy. Blake Griffin, Paul George, Colin Sexton, Jonathan Kuminga, rookie. Apparently, I'm holding it upside down. TJ Warren, silver. Evan Love, Jaden Springer, rookie. DeJounte Murray. Mitchell Robinson patch for the New York Knicks. A little select patch for you, New York. A red Jalen Johnson. Go with the white Jalen Johnson to 199, 126 to 199. Start that Jalen Johnson rainbow. Bo Knight rookie. Anthony Davis, Zion Williamson, Russell Westbrook, Anthony Simons, tricolor. James Harden, Luka Doncic, Bojan Bogdanovic, D'Angelo Russell to 49. That's a bronze to 49, D'Angelo Russell patch. What is going on here? 5 of 49. T-Wolves. Jeremy. Lauri Markkanen silver. Russell Westbrook, Nikola Vucevic, KD. Gary Payton, 75 years. And a Krispy Kreme orange select to 65. This is Mikal Bridges. 20 of 65 Krispy Kreme die cut. That looks awesome. What is going on here?
Clean.
Super clean. I think I can throw these damn things away. I don't even know what to do. I'm only halfway through, man. I'm gonna run out of top loaders. Super nice. That's one of the most fun colored boards we haven't in a while. Me so happy. Put it this way, I guess. I'm running out of room back there. We're only halfway done, guys. Jesus. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. If you're new to us, please like, follow, subscribe. Call out your teams, call out your players. Let's have some fun, man. We're pulling some crazy fire right now. When you've got this kind of fire going, you just got to bet it. You got to bet it all. Let it ride. Do you not concur?
I concur.
Sorry. All right, guys. His hamster wheel's spinning. He is up to something. He's doing math.
Not.
Huh? It's okay. Okay. Montrezl Harrell. Zach LaVine. Steven Jackson. What? That's old school. Steven Jackson Bobcats patch auto. Wow. 199. 40 of 199. Wow, that's crazy. DeAndre Ayton red. That's going to go to 175. 71 of 175 red. Die cut. Kyle Bridges. Day'Ron Sharp is a rookie. Lauri Markkanen. Josh Christopher rookie. Dame Lillard tricolor. Kemba Walker. TJ Warren. Santi Aldama rookie. Luka Garza rookie. Nikola Vucevic silver. Drew Holiday. Bones Highland rookie. Trey Mann rookie. 75 years of Giannis Antetokounmpo. Lonzo Ball tricolor. Steph Curry. Alfred Payton. Joe Wieskamp rookie. Josh Giddey to 199. Rookie patch auto. Josh Giddey. More. Francis.
He said more fire.
Rookie patch auto. Josh Giddey to 199. Chris Duarte, phenomenal. Donovan Mitchell. John Morant. Get well, John. Marcus Smart.
Is he hurt?
He's out for like a week. Brad Beal. His ankle.
Ankle?
Not surprised. Bojan Bogdanovic silver. KD. Look at this, man. This is absolutely crazy. I love it. I freaking love it. Francis said, finally, Josh Giddey RPA. I'm glad I could be the one that made it happen. I had nothing to do with it, but I'm still the one that, I guess, opened it.
This is by far the best select break.
This is by far the best select break we've had. And I don't know how many boxes or cases. So sometimes you just don't know. Sometimes they're just stacked. And it could have been, we could have picked those 6 boxes at any moment when we were doing the other breaks.
It was could have been.
It's crazy. James Harden, Evan Mobley, rookie, Desmond Bain, another Jalen Johnson for your to 249 die cut, 107 to 249 Jalen Johnson blue die cut. That KD, Cameron Thomas rookie, JT Thor, Giannis Antetokounmpo tricolor, Christian Wood, Quentin Grimes rookie, Bam Adebayo, Jalen Johnson. Again, rookie. A Jimmy Buckets patch for Miami Heat. Jeremy, got a little Jimmy, James. Luka Doncic silver. Luka Doncic base. Scotty Barnes rookie. Carmelo Anthony, 75 years. Jared Butler. A blue Zion Williamson. Why not? To 299. 75 to 299. Let's just keep it going. Bones rookie. Julius Randle. Trey Murphy rookie. Patrick Williams. Clint Capella purple die cut. 38 of 99. Hot diggity fire. Yeah, they are. Trae Young. Moses Moody rookie. Kawhi Leonard. Jason Tatum. Whatever you want it to be. Keldon Johnson. Courtside silver. Tim Hardaway Jr. All right. Box 5, guys. Crazy fire, man. It is fun.
Fun stuff.
I'm having a good time right now. I'm having a good old time. It's been a while, man.
Yeah, basketball.
Yeah, basketball's been super rough. Soccer's been fun. Baseball's been touch and go. Football's so random. Football's fun too sometimes. Basketball is like where my heart lies, and it's fun when I get to pull some fire for people. All right. Until you prove me different in soccer, baseball's #1 for me. Tyler's all of a sudden a convert. Jalen Green rookie, Isaiah Todd rookie, Davion Mitchell rookie, Victor Oladipo silver, Middleton, Kyrie Irving, James Bouknight rookie, 75 years of Jimmy Butler, Zion Williamson tricolor. There you go, nice card. Jonas Valanciunas, Steph Curry, Montrezl Harrell, a Jaden Springer to 249 silver rookie auto. Very nice. Very nice silver rookie auto for the 76ers. Mankwang. James Wiseman, phenomenal. Isaiah Stewart. Zach LaVine. Daron Sharp is a rookie. Guess I had it right the first time. Lauri Markkanen. Kyrie Irving, silver. Kyle Kuzma. Josh Christopher, rookie. TJ Warren. Santi Aldama. A blue Seth Curry. That's going to be the 299. 227 to 299. Luke Kennard, Luka Garza rookie, Bones Highland, Trey Mann rookie, Bam Adebayo tricolor, and a Trey Murphy third. He says I can't see shit. All right, let's finish drawing. All right, guys, hold on. I'm not sure what I'm even reading, so we'll have to talk later. Alfred Payton. Joe Viscom rookie. Scotty Barnes patch. Scotty Barnes patch. There you go. Yeah, I got it. Bojan Bogdanovic silver. A Nikola Jokic, John Morant, Marcus Smart, 75 years. That's Dirk Nowitzki. A Jericho Sims white. There you go. To 149. 70 to 149. We'll certainly try, Travis. 70 of 149. Jericho Sims white. A Mitchell Robinson, Bradley Beal, James Harden, Evan Mobley rookie. DeAndre Ayton blue. The 249 die cut. 196 to 249. John Morant, Desmond Bain, Cam Thomas rookie. JT Thor. Nikola Vucevic silver. Tyrese Maxey also, I think, out for 3 to 4 weeks. He's hurt. Giannis. Bam Adebayo. Zion Williamson. Oh, now that's fire right there. I'm a jelly. Main Kwang. How much for the Zion? Tie-dye. Beautiful patch to 25. 20 of 25. Game-worn material. Zion Williamson. What a beautiful card. I want. Wow. Damn, I want that card. Chris Paul, scope. Jeremiah Robinson Earl, rookie. Jalen Johnson, rookie. Scotty Barnes, rookie. Carmelo. Jalen Johnson, tricolor. And PP. Haven't said PP in a while, huh? You knew I was going to ask you for it. Holy crap, man. Look at this wall of just... I damn will. We ain't done yet. We still got one more box.
Hold on. That box.
Still one more box, man. Still one more box.
Good luck, everyone. Last box.
Not that anybody needs it. It's a lot of stuff already. But hey, why not? Let's get that 1 of 1. That would be so sweet right now to finish that off like that. 1 of 1 would be awesome. Weird. This is crazy.
No, we had a silver auto in that one, Travis. That was like the Jaden Springer.
I don't have room up there, man.
What's up, Joffrey? Hey, Joffrey, just so you know, that NT box is coming to you separately from your cards, so don't be alarmed, okay?
Jesus Christ, I think we got another gold. What is happening here?
I think we're all paid up.
Oh. Luka Doncic, Bojan Bogdanovic. Jason Preston for the Clippers to 199. Rookie. There you go. RPA Jason Preston for the Clip Show. Brian G. Sharing the love. You paid? Oh. Sorry. Hey, Luka Doncic scope. Beautiful Luka Doncic for Dallas scope.
Tyler, you can cancel that. We're all paid up.
Bones Highland. Nikola Vucevic, KD, Joe Harris, Colin Sexton tricolor, Trae Young, Victor Oladipo, Quentin Grimes rookie, Krispy Kreme, Kyle Kuzma silver, Duncan Robinson, Jordan Clarkson, Jashawn Tate, Trae Young, 75 years of the NBA, Jalen Green, there's a Jalen Green finally, tricolor, nice, Chris Duarte rookie, Derrick Rose, Cade Cunningham, Paul Pierce to 10 guys, another, oh, check that out. Pierce. What is that? Is that a jersey? What is that? It's cracked as hell. I need some lotion. I don't even know what that is. Paul Pierce for the Clippers. Gold checkerboard. Game worn used materials. I don't even know what. I mean, that must be an old jersey when he was on there. Another to 10. 2 of 10. This is ridiculous. I mean, in a good way for the Clippers.
I get it, Tyler. Appreciate you, brother. And
Jonathan Kuminga, Silver Phenomenon. That's beautiful right there. Those colors are so awesome on that card. Al Horford, Rajon Rondo, Banton, Ant-Man. Hey, Darius Garland, Silver. Jeremy Grant. My God. What do? I only have 2 stands left. Jesus Christ. Ridiculous. I can't even fit them. What am I supposed to do? Whatever. We'll figure it out later, guys. And we still have more packs. Yeah, Paul Pierce's signatures have all been pretty nice. I like his signatures. I'm just shocked it's not like Boston, you know? The Clippers with this interesting looking old jersey.
Random.
Yeah, it is. It is. But still very cool that we got a Clipper. You know, you don't always expect a big Clippers hit, but you got nice Philly hits, Kings hits. I mean, Zion, Dallas with the zebra unicorn. I mean, man, greens. And again, we're not even done yet. Here we go. Jalen Green, rookie. Isaiah Todd. Davion Mitchell. Wow, nice. Ant-Man white. 110 to 149. White Ant-Man. There you go. Congratulations, Jaylen Brown, Kyrie Irving, James Bouknight, Steph Curry, Jonathan Kuminga for the Dubs, tricolor. Franz Wagner, Montrez, Zach, Isaiah Jackson, patch, rookie patch. That's for Indiana. Indiana's having a good break too, by the way. Dame Lillard, silver. Moses Brown, Day'Ron Sharpe, rookie. Lauri Markkanen, Klay Thompson, 75 years. Yusuf Nurkic, scope. Jalen Johnson, rookie. Josh Christopher, rookie. TJ Warren, Santi Aldama. Anthony Davis, blue to 299. I'm sorry, 141 to 299 for the Lake Show. Carla. Devin Booker, Luka Garza, Bones Highland, Trey Mann. Isaiah Jackson, silver rookie. And Steven Adams. Wow. What a break. Holy cow.
Thanks, Tyler.
Man. Exciting. I don't even know where to start. So much. There's just so much. You're good. There we go, guys. Recap time. So we have an Isaiah Jackson, silver rookie patch. It's not numbered. Ant-Man, white, 149. That's the Andre Ayton, blue die cut to 249. Scotty Barnes, silver patch. We have a Seth Curry, blue to 299. Jimmy Butler, patch, silver. A purple Clint Capella. That's going to be a 99 die cut. A blue Jalen Johnson die cut to 249. A DeAndre Ayton red die cut. That's to 175. We have a Steven Jackson patch auto to 199. That's an OG. Jalen Johnson red to 199. A orange Krispy Kreme die cut to 65. Congrats, Wizards. A D'Angelo Russell patch bronze. That's going to be numbered to only 49. 5 of 49. We have a Mitchell Robinson silver patch for the Knicks. We have a Jalen Johnson rookie white to 149. We had a blue Anthony Davis to 299. We had a Karis LeVert silver patch for Indiana. Julius Randle blue for New York Knicks to 299. Russell Westbrook blue. That's going to be the 249 die cut for Lakers. Tobias Harris silver patch for the 76ers. A Ricky Rubio for Cavaliers. That's a tie-dye to 25. 13 to 25 die cut. A die cut. Tie-dye die cut. Say that fast. Ant-Man. Wait, did we get 2 Ant-Mans? Yeah, we did. We got 2 Ant-Man whites. Wow. 109 and 110. They're in succession. 109, 110. And a horizontal throwback patch of Dennis Smith Jr. for Dallas. A Trey Mann OKC red to 199. Where do you even start here? We did get a Jaden Springer silver auto. These are to 249. Beautiful Jaden Springer auto. We did get a Jason Preston rookie patch auto for the Clippers to 199. We got a beautiful Josh Giddey rookie patch auto for OKC to 199. We got a Kristaps Porzingis zebra. We got a unicorn zebra, beautiful for Dallas. Congratulations. We did get a Davion Mitchell purple on purple for the unpaid Kings. That is to 99, 27 and 99. Gorgeous there, Travis. We got a one of these guys, Jaden Springer, checkerboard to 10 patch, game used patch. That was numbered 2 of 10 for Philly. We did get a nice Paul Pierce to 10 patch auto, actually, to 10, 2 of 10 on the Clippers. We got a Zion Williamson, beautiful tie-dye, game worn to 25, 20 to 25. And we got 2 gorgeous autos of Chris Duarte to 99 and an Evan Mobley to 99. So congratulations to everybody. What a break. What an amazing break. We'll be right back with some soccer. Thank you so much. Give me a minute.